How to place an order on Trendyol. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can place an order on Trendyol using iOS or Android from account creation and browsing items to checkout and delivery. I'm going to show you every step to shop confidently with this easy to follow guide. So first of all, simply open your Trendyol application. You can sign up using Apple account or Gmail account or your Facebook account. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So let's say if you're interested in buying this watch, you're going to click on the specific item that you wish to buy. And then we have two options. One is buy now and the other is add to cart. So you can simply add more items in the cart and then simply check out the cart. For example, let's say we're going to buy this now. So we're going to click on buy now. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this, and you need to simply fill in your address, your contact details, and click on save. The other way is that you can simply click on add to cart. Once you click on add to cart, you'll be redirected to your cart. Now here you can see you can just enter the discount code. You can also select how many items you want. For example, if you want one watch or if you want two watches or more watches. And you can simply add more items to the cart as well. You can see in recommended section if you like any other two. And if you have many items in the cart that you just keep on adding, and if you wish to deselect any item, you can simply click on that. For example, I've selected this, and then you can type in any discount code. Once you're all done, you can simply click on checkout. And after that, you'll be again redirected to add address interface. So you're going to type in your contact details, your address details. So make sure your information is correct. You're going to select whether you want this item for personal use or corporate use. If you want it for corporate use, then you're going to type down the text number, text office, company name, so that the item can be delivered to that specific company. And after that, you can simply click on I am registered for e-invoicing and click on save. And after that, you can simply check out your card. So as easy as that, that was how you can order on Trendyol. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.